to be more innovative. So talk to your colleagues from IT departments, talk to entrepreneurs, and exchange their ideas. Try to work with the startups, try to mentor startups. You will get much more ideas that would be for you, that will take your fear getting into the innovation sector or working with AI or working with the blockchain. That will provide you with a huge knowledge in this area and then help to work more closely with a lot of empathy with patients.
Can I just add to that question that maybe I think it's very important to emphasize that the fear that AI would take over physicians' job is just it's a myth. It's not. It's something you don't really have to worry about quite soon because the complexity of clinical data and the use of AI in it is still developing relatively slowly. So the main uses that AI will be able to help with in the next years is optimization of work processes. Because when it comes to physician and nurses workforce, there are statistics show that there's going to be a global shortage that's rising with years. So if I were you, I really wouldn't worry that, the profession as such is going to change, but the main role of technology is to enhance it and to make the job not easier, but just different and better.
Thank you. We have another question.
It's not a question, it's a statement. I'm also a physician. I think also from the discussions in this setting here is there are differences in languages. And actually, as a matter of fact, technology and medical professionals need to talk to each other, otherwise there is no outcome. So they are so far away. The language is the key factor for a progress that is suitable and helpful to us.
Communication, you mean? Yeah, the right communication, yeah. Please.
If I could just add something there. So in my field, human-computer interaction, the top conference, our group, one of our papers, we had a physician on the paper. He works with us, and the computer science group really embrace having physicians there. They're excited to have physicians there. So just agreeing with what other people have said, work with these fields. Don't fear them. They are embracing the knowledge that you have. And people have a tremendous respect for physicians. So I think it's really important. The point we're really making is we need ecosystems with all the stakeholders working together. And the more people that try and silo off and protect their bit of it, the less these systems will function. So everyone has to work together.
I mean, we see that with my startup. If we wouldn't work with physicians, keep personal, IT, business and IT wouldn't work out. So I think for each good startup, you have to have somebody in the team who is from these different fields.
Speak different languages. So I think the knowledge translation, not transferred, but the translation is a key point. And I was so lucky that I learned that working as a postdoc in a Sikis hospital, which was a mandatory workshop for everyone. We were 20 different participants, nurses, IT specialists, doctors, researchers, learning how to talk to each other, how to present our knowledge and translate the knowledge to somebody who works in the same area but has a different background to work together.
And as we find a common language, it is so exciting to move forward. It's also this kind of excitement to develop something new. I think this is so key.
Absolutely.
That's what we actually see in our hackathons every time, where we bring together people from the tech developers together with healthcare professionals. The first couple of hours are the most exciting ones because they are starting to talk to each other and starting to understand what their aspects are and how they approach certain ideas. And then you see situations where the doctor says, I have this crazy idea, but I don't know. I think it's not possible to turn it around. And then the developer sits next to him and says, like, within 2 hours, I'm going to do this for you. That's not a problem. And it works. It really works. And they do it. So I completely agree. These people need to talk to each other and really understand each other better than they did before.
Yeah, I have to elaborate that because then you come day after as a mentor, and then you saw like a team, a product, a market, an approach, and then I asked them like, for how long you know each other? 24 hours. And this is amazing, so smart. It's really exciting to see it again and again.
So any other questions? So I think we brought a lot of ideas, and we spoke about a lot of new innovation system, different system coming from different worlds, and we had a very exciting Q&A. And my name is Dana Bitovragim, and I would like to thank my exciting and amazing panel and experts. I would like to again to repeat the names and ask you for applause. And if you have a time, stop by and ask the questions. For the questions, exchange your contact information. Let's stay in touch and let's build together what we want to build, the next generation health ecosystem. Anja Zillebrau from Austria, thank you so much. Mali Baum from Berlin, thank you so much. Tjaja Tajk from Slovenia, thank you so much. Joscha Hoffenberg from Berlin, thank you so much. And Dmitry Katz from Berlin again, thank you so much. Thank you, and till next time.
Thank you.